Hello and welcome to this lecture. And in this lecture, we are actually going to go ahead and learn about how to design the detail view. So now, as we are talking about Django, Django is actually a backend framework and it's not used for the front end. So if you actually have a look at the code which we have written over here, all the code which lies inside the view actually just manages the data from the database. We extract the data from the database and we basically pass it to the detail.html file or the index.html file, which are nothing but our templates. So basically, when we are working on a big project, this task of actually designing the look and feel is going to be given to the front end developer or the front end engineer who is going to go ahead and create the user interface. But our job here is to design the backend over here. So now in the previous case, what we have done is that we have just simply passed in the photo object here, which basically gave us the name of the photo object. But now in reality, what we actually need to do is that we need to go ahead and extract the name of the photo as well as the name of the creator, or you could say the photographer. So in order to do that, what we will do is that we'll go ahead, get rid of this photo object right over here, and instead we are going to make a heading tag over here. So you could also include any HTML elements if you want. You could just go ahead, design it in a much more better way, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to use plain simple heading tags. So let me actually go ahead and take the h1 tag as well, and in the h1 tag we will go ahead and extract the photo name. So inside it we will use the double curly braces syntax, and here you just need to type in photo, which is the object, and if you want to extract the property or an attribute of the object, simply give a dot and just type in the attribute which you want to extract. So for example, here if you want to extract the name, you just type in name over here, and if you want the creator's name over here, you simply type in photo dot creator over here. So if you go ahead and take a look at the models.py file, which is this file right here, as you could see, these are our attributes of the photo. So you could extract any of these attributes over there in the detail.html. So let's say if you also want to extract the price, so for that purpose you could just go ahead, go to the detail.html, and you could even get the price here. So I'm going to create h3 tag, and to get the price I'm simply going to type something like photo dot price, and that's actually going to extract the price on the detail.html page as well. So if you want to make sure that you have the price, simply go ahead, open up this thing, go back here, hit refresh. If you go to the first photo, as you could see, here you have the photo name, here you have the creator or photographer's name, and here you have the price as well. So you could go ahead and tweak the detail.html file in any way which you want. You could extract all the objects, you could extract the details of the objects as well, and you could do everything with it. So that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we are going to learn about an interesting concept, which is about removing hard-coded URLs. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.